And he kept going like, wait, what's going on here? He asked in meetings and stuff like that. Nobody was fessing up. I mean, he was bringing his lunch, what he wanted.
That he spent money on.
And people were like, well, you just bring, frozen dinners or snacks and he was like, no. So he got himself a mini fridge, put it under his desk and locked it up. And now everybody around, or just a few people around the office are like, you're selfish. You're kind of weird. And I think it's because they were the ones that were dipping into his lunch